Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading. Today let's talk about CTSI USDT yet again. So we managed to catch the bottom of this one, and now we are just going to look for another possibility, right? So we tested right above these highs, right? So this is pretty good, but for us to really to continue up on this one, we would have to break it at least now, right? Then I was looking at this point down here, and the problem is when you reject this, this has a really low chance of giving you a good reaction or even holding it, right? Which in this case, when you see something like this, you already question it. It's like only like 30% of holding, right? So when I see something like this, I actually see a pretty nice opportunity to long. And in this case, I would long this one. It's sort of going to be a little bit of fatter area, but it's going to be a good one, right? So I'm going to long this one around here, right? It's going to be a little bit of fatter long. So basically speaking, you know, this one came really close, but I didn't quite tested it, right? And if you look at it from this body, where the body candle was, it's still 3%. So I'm going to take this one as an area that hasn't been tested yet. And this area now provides me with a good opportunity to actually long it, right? So now if we set up a long position from this one right above up here, and we set up, let's see what the stop loss is, about 7 to 8%, right? And technically speaking, when I have such a little structure like this, I would like to leave the stop here, although most of the cases I would prefer stop here, you know, and have only 6%. So either one. Okay, this is like super safe. This is a little bit more unsafe, right? In this case, if I'm taking this now, like I'm going to be taking profit target, at least first profit target right here, which is at 1.2, and then I'm going to aim for this high yet again. And in this case, we can leave something on the table. Sorry, I'm gonna front run it just a little bit, you know, due to candle closes, and we can leave a little bit on the table if supposedly happen we go tag any of these highs, right? So now really, like, because of this amount of wicks, you really don't know if you're gonna tag this, this, or this, right? So in this case, again, if you wish to risk it or you wish to be safe, it's up to you. You can take this as TP, this as TP, or this as TP, right? In this case, I'm going to take this as TP because I'm always conservative, as you might know, right? And just set it up like this. So that would be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.